The purchase that I recently made was these little computer glasses for my daughter. For some of you that live in North America and the US, you know that schools have been throttled back. You know, some kids are in school part-time and all this. So that means that kids are spending a lot more time on devices. Kids' eyes are much more sensitive to the harmful effects of blue light, especially in the evening. It has to do with the shape of their eyes. I'll throw up a study on the screen here. When your children are on devices, especially near bedtime, it has a powerful suppressive effect, which is not good, on melatonin release. So you have to support your children's eye health. So my daughter has 2 pairs of glasses. We're still trying to work on the routine of this. She's getting used to these, but I like the summer glow as she thinks they're cool. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna unbox BluBlox's new portable light therapy device called Hive. I'm excited to try this out, and we've talked a lot about photobiomodulation, which is a big fancy way of talking about how light impacts your biology. You can use this at home for enhancing soft tissue injury, recovering from exercise, optimizing collagen production in your hair, your skin, your nails. I like to use it to optimize my testosterone levels. I'll put links to a related video where we reviewed before and after blood work. But I'm excited to check out this from BluBlox for a few different reasons. It's low EMF, it's flicker free, and it exhibits or offers 2 different forms of wavelength, the near infrared and the red light in the 860 and 600 nanometer range. And I'm just excited to check this out. Andy, man, and all the folks over at BluBlox, they do a phenomenal job. I've been a huge fan and a customer of theirs for a while. And disclaimer, they are a sponsor of our podcast. They're not paying me to say any of this. I'm excited to try these things out. These are some products that I personally use every single day from them. This is their Remedy Sleep Mask. Again, I paid full retail for this. I'm not just saying this because they sponsor our podcast. This is, no kidding guys and gals, one of the best sleep masks out there because it doesn't block your nose. You want to be breathing through your nose while you're sleeping. A lot of the sleep masks, they don't consider nasal breathing as a priority while you're sleeping, but as we've talked about at length, in various interviews over the years, mouth taping and breathing through your nose is important. So the Remedy Sleep Mask is phenomenal. I just got another pair of these. These are the Brooklyn computer glasses. I normally wear them when I film videos like this because the light that I need to create this image is probably not the best for my eyes, but I bought another pair here, so I have 2 different pairs. They come in a nice case here. So these are the Brooklyn glasses there. I'll share with you guys in that screen. But I recently made a purchase, and Andy said, "Hey, Mike, let me send you my new red light therapy device," because the purchase that I recently made was these little computer glasses for my daughter. For some of you that live in North America and the US, you know that schools have been throttled back. You know, some kids are in school part-time and all this. So that means that kids are spending a lot more time on devices. Kids' eyes are much more sensitive to the harmful effects of blue light, especially in the evening. It has to do with the shape of their eyes. I'll throw up a study on the screen here. When your children are on devices, especially near bedtime, it has a powerful suppressive effect, which is not good, on melatonin release. So you have to support your children's eye health. So my daughter has 2 pairs of glasses. We're still trying to work on the routine of this. She's getting used to these, but I like the summer glow as she thinks they're cool. All right, so that's kind of the background of the products that I love. And full disclaimer, below are affiliate links. So we make a very small commission if you do decide to purchase any of the products that we're talking about today. But again, I'm a customer. I love BluBlox. I think Andy's amazing. They're a family-owned business, and I just love their story. It's just a cool business. So here we go. Let's unbox the Hive. So again, this is a photobiomodulation device that's portable. It's flicker-free, and it's low EMF, which I'm excited about because you're going to be holding this most likely. It's going to be close to your skin. You want to have a low EMF device. All right, I'm trying to do this pretty, but I might just have to tear into this sucker here. Okay, let's just cut this guy. There we go, there we go. Okay, so as I mentioned, you can use and benefit from the 2 different forms of wavelengths that they offer in this device. So you have the near infrared and then the red wavelength. All right. Okay, so here we go. Let me move some things out of the way so we can see this better on this screen. All right. So, what I like about BluBlox, and I'm sensing a theme here, is their packaging is really nice. And so that's why I like, here's the packaging for their computer glasses. The reason why I have two pairs is I kind of hurt one, when I was traveling. So I have two pairs, one that I travel with that's kind of a little damaged and one that's at home. Wow, this is really neat. So check this out. So great box, okay, great presentation, nice travel case, all good. All right, so let's unzip this here, and you're gonna see this as I see it. So to charge it, we have a USB 3.0 cable, which is nice. We have a little manual here on the user manual. Okay, so it talks about the benefits of red light therapy. And so the near-infrared light benefits and the red light benefits. So the near-infrared light is hitting deeper into the body, as is illustrated here in this booklet that I can share with you. Some of the benefits of the visible 660 red light range involve wrinkle reduction, skin lightening and firming, anti-aging benefits, eczema, psoriasis, things like that. I would just say my neighbor, who is a teacher, great couple, Phil and his wife. When she was going back to school as a teacher, she started to experience migraines, and we let her borrow one of our Juve units, and her migraines instantaneously went away after doing 15 minutes in the morning. So it seems to help circadian rhythm optimization, and it really affected her brain in a favorable manner. But the invisible near-infrared light, which is the spectrum, it's 860? 850, sorry. There's some benefits with herniated disc. So for those of you that lift weights and do things like that, sports injuries, muscle spasms, and so forth. So what Andy let me know is this light, this portable photobiomodulation unit. You can do both the near-infrared and the red light independently or simultaneously. So here's what you're going to see. Hopefully you can see that. You see the red light and then the near-infrared. So there's a few different applications that I recommend for this, first thing in the morning and before bed. For example, if you're going to be on your computer or any device, what you can do is put this in the background and use this to mitigate any blue light coming from, say, your cell phone, your iPad, your computer, or your television. So this can help with that. I found through my friend Tab Furchaw that using this can enhance sleep and deepen sleep, that red light, okay? Which, by the way, BluBlox does make the Lumi light bulbs, which are phenomenal. Flicker-free, red light, they have the daylight as well. But also you can use this for a soft tissue injury. And the way that you know that the near-infrared is on is the bulbs here, barely visible. So what I would do, like first thing in the morning, because I do have low back issues and compression, so what I'm going to do is just as I'm doing my meditation or breath work, put this behind so that I'm getting the deeper penetration from the near-infrared light at the 850 nanometer range. And then I would do the red light maybe, in the evening time, or you can do it in the morning if you don't have access to sunlight. It's just a nice way, I feel, to kickstart your day and circadian clock system. So, yeah, I mean, it's got a nice build quality. I would say overall nice build quality. So there is the Juve Go as well. That would be a competitive product. I would say they're similar weight. I don't have the other one right with me now. My wife has it. Similar weight, nice build quality. I like that this is really low EMF and flicker free. So I would just say starting out, it doesn't feel as like, when you turn it on, it's not like this super, it's more friendly on the eyes compared to the Juve. I would just say just instantaneous feedback. But really nice case. I think it's a cool product, something that I'm definitely going to travel with, recommend to folks. I think it's really neat. So again, I'm excited to try this out. There's a lot of benefits. I think, if you're going to invest in something like this, this really works well if you're traveling. If you have soft tissue injury, maybe you're an athlete, If you care about your hair, skin, and nails, things like that, what you can do is you can put it close nearby. Or if you're going to be on your devices at night and you want to optimize sleep and just have even further kind of mitigation or prevention of blue light affecting your melatonin release and things of the sort. So yeah, these are my initial observations. I'll share with you guys future updates as I try this out more, but I definitely want to thank BluBlox for sending this over. Again, I can't speak highly enough. I mean, I literally, these are the products that I use all the time. I'll throw them on this screen right here. Here is the Remedy Sleep Mask, which is just phenomenal. Here are the computer glasses. They're the Brooklyn frames. They're just amazing. And then these are the ones that I wear at night. These are mine right there. So these are mine, and then these are the ones that my daughter wears. So that's what we have going on here, friends. As always, thanks for watching these videos, and affiliate links to the products that we're talking about will be below. And if you enjoyed this, please hit that like button. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe so that you get pinged when we launch new videos like this. And as always, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in a future video down the road. Bye now.